The windmill stands as a testament to time, its ancient stones worn by the relentless coastal wind.
All right, keep it moving.
Stack those bricks right here.
Watch the dust. Let's clear this side. Watch the beam coming through. Okay, got it. Move the wheelbarrow closer. Next one coming down. Got it, keep them moving. Watch the step there.
Keep moving left with the spray.
I've got this whole lower quadrant cleared.
Making good progress up here.
Keep moving left.
Okay, I'm almost done with this section.
We need to speed it up. The light is fading.
Cuidado con ese.
Lo tengo. Pásame la escoba.
Pull it up now. Watch the rope, watch the rope. Clear the area, let's go.
Keep moving up.
Watch the runoff below.
Almost clear on this side.
Send it down the chute. Careful with the birds here. They're moved. Let's get these rafters cleared.
Keep the chain moving.
Watch the ivy.
Almost clear now. Keep scrubbing, we're almost through the center section. Bring the squeegee over here now.
We need to clear all the joints on this row before we move down.
All right, I'm almost done with this section here.
That's the last of it. Good work, everyone. Secure the site. Watch the mortar on this side. Yep, got it. There.
Make sure you get the bolts covered completely.
Almost done with this section. Moving right.
Pásame el cubo, por favor.
Aquí tienes. Cuidado arriba.
Keep going, almost done with this section.
Watch the dust. I can barely see the line now.
Clear to below. All right, lift it up, watch the wall. Got it. Easy now, set it down. Make sure you get full coverage on that upper tier.
I'm almost out of consolidant. Send up another batch. Pass me the trowel, quickly.
Here you go. Make sure that seam is flush before it dries.
Move it to the corner now. Yeah, I'm almost there. Watch out for the dust.
This side's clear.
How's the level on sector 4?
Stable. Moving to the next row now.
Okay, I've marked the efflorescence here.
Line it up.
Got the drill ready.
Okay, sink it.
Lift it higher, angle to the left.
We've got the bolts ready here.
Secure the top section now.
Get that conduit secured now.
Working on the anchor points over here.
Watch the cable coming through.
Check the alignment. Drill the next one.
Looks good.
Turning the wrench now.
Keep it moving. We're almost done with this section.
All right, passing you the bolts now.
Bring it left. Easy now.
Watch the corner, steady.
All right, slowly down.
Looks good. Smooth finish.
All right, let's move to the next one.
Hit that seam quickly.
Yeah, I got it. Move to the next section.
And secured. Looks good from here. Yeah, we finished it. Great job, everyone.
Rápido, muchachos. Sigan poniendo las tejas aquí arriba.
Next panel. Secure the bottom. All right, hold that batten steady.
Get that manifold connected.
Pressure's holding steady.
All right, keep laying the pipe. Let's finish this loop.
Almost done here. How's the glass coming along? Sparkling clean, just like the stone. We make a great team.
Almost done with this run.
Okay, moving to the next box. Watch out.
Apply the finish evenly now.
Making sure the tone matches.
Looks good from here. Keep going.
Panel secured. Send the next one up. Torquing the bolts now. Looks solid. All right, job finished. Looks perfect.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Right here, next bucket.
Almost done with this wall.
Lower the pipe. Watch the line. Clear below.
Pass me the drill.
Here you go. Watch the wire.
Almost done with this one.
All right, Jimmy, take it up slow. Clear on the east side.
Copy that. Coming up. Keep the pace up. Looking good.
Just a few more swipes on this pane.
Okay, push it left. A little more. Centered now. Grab the chairs.
Grab that post quickly.
Drapes are secured. Where does the armchair go?
Right over there by the window.
Okay, bring the next section over here. Careful with the stone. Looks aligned. Push it together.
Place that one right here.
Okay, moving to the next section now.
Let's get these sheets smoothed out quickly.
Is everything loaded?
Yeah, we got it all. Looks great, doesn't it?
All right, let's roll out. Project complete.
restored to its former glories.
Once abandoned, this magnificent structure stands again, its sails turning toward the golden sun.